Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install VirtualBox in our laptop. Um, I already downloaded the file because I don't have an internet connection here in my house. Um, let's open the file. Um, wait. Hmm, right here in downloads and click yes. After that, um, click next. Next, uh, yes, and click yes, and install. After that, you will wait for further updating and installing in our laptop. Alright, uh, and then finish. And here we go. Install. Uh, Thank you guys for watching.